Hello and welcome back. And from the last video we've moved up the beach a little bit and we've come to photograph. First of all, I've got to say we've had a lovely dinner at the Caf. I don't know the name of the Caf, but if you come to this area, try the Caf. The meal was superb. I'm absolutely full to the brim though. Full to the brim. Can't move. Anyway, but I do love a good Caf. We had burger, double, chips, beautiful. Okay, so we'll come to photograph the groins, some long exposure. As you can see, it's supposed to be overcast today. It's not. Blue sky. Blue sky. It's going to make it difficult, but we've got these old groins that actually run parallel, some of them, to the beach, which makes it awkward. But we also got some groins that are running out as well. So we're going to try and isolate them and photograph them. The first image that I've gone for is capturing these groins. So I've selected 3, and I might even select 5 maybe. I'm going to go odds. But it's the reflections in the water that are really pulling it for me. So I've sort of come 45-degree angle to them, and like I say, I've selected 3 and just come on the 45, so there's a little bit of an angle on the actual image itself. 30-second exposure, flatten the sea out as it's lapping around it. We haven't got long before it's beyond them, so I thought I'll capture that image now, certainly on this area. If I move down a bit, yeah, I've got another half an hour beyond that. It's difficult because there's quite a few around and it's getting separation. We've got 3 out there which I might try and get a nice long exposure, simple long exposure photography. I am looking at this straight down here at this one that might work, maybe a sort of a square crop type thing as well, but it was this first reflection shot that I'm after before I lose it. I'm down low so I can get the timber post poking above the horizon. The other option I would get is to come up high, which I might try next, and get them to come below the horizon. If sort of eye level, they're right on the horizon, do not want that. So I've got the first shot. I'm going to bring it up high and try and get that second shot, and then we'll try and get something else. So I'm just going to capture that again, even though I've got it once. I've already got it once. I'm going to capture that again, and then I'm going to try and get one up high. It's looking really nice, actually, looking really nice. Might be better black and white just because of the type of day we got, to be honest. That's the only thing that's sort of frustrating, because I did want to get rid of that horizon. And the only other thing I will do is get rid of that horizon in Photoshop. Don't think it will work though, but I will have a go. If it works, then I'll do 1 or 2 of this. Trying to set up this next composition, and it's difficult. It's really difficult. And what I might have to do is Photoshop one of the posts out, because it's quite a technical shot, as in where everything is placed and things like that. And I can't go up too high because of this horizon problem, but I go too low, and this one post is intersecting with a post behind. So the height is critical. So I've been trying to get that right. I want to incorporate these reflections in the sand. Problem with that I've got is I'm incorporating, because I've come a little bit wider, I'm incorporating another post. And I've got 4 posts, then this odd post, and then another post to the side. I want 3 posts on one side, so I might actually remove that. I can't crop it out, or I don't think I can crop it out. Might be able to crop it out. So if we can crop it out, I'll crop it out. But I just think it's so more pleasing to the eye with the 3 posts in, and behind that is another post that's in the sea a bit further back. So it's quite a technical shot. I'm going to try and make the best out of it. I'll put it up now. Let me know what you think. This next real simple shot, 3 posts, one leaning that way, one leaning that way, one up in the middle, further back. Now it's got a bird on it, a seagull on it. It's got a seagull on it. If I can get that seagull sharp enough, because it's not moving, I'll love it. If not, seagull's going. We'll see. Okay. Turn around, seagull had gone anyway. It's probably heard me, you know. Let's get rid. So he's gone. Listen to me. Yeah, it's picking out, trying to make it as simple as possible, but pleasing to the eye. So, and it really is worth picking out the 3s, the 5s, the 1s, interesting ones. I do like this bit here though, with it's got a cross member going across, so it's like that stripe where the 4 and across, where you're counting the days down. That's quite a nice shot, and I will try and get that. And it's got the birds on. Again, the problem we've got is just cutting the horizon, so it's just about getting that height right. So I'm really enjoying picking out these posts, these little 3s, these little sets of posts. Thoroughly enjoying it, and we're starting to get a nice little bit of that golden light coming back. Really is trying to kick in really nice. Nice simple shots, lovely bits of cloud cover coming over to give it a bit of texture. I would have loved it to get rid of that horizon. I don't think I will. I don't think I'll blend it in, but you never know. I might just give it a go on a couple and just see. But it's beautiful. Listen to the crashing waves. Oh, really, really, really beautiful. Exposure. The sea's calm. I don't need a long exposure. 5-second exposure. And you know what? I'm quite happy at that. F6.3, 5-second exposure with the filter on. Beautiful. I'm going to try these 4 posts with one horizontal. I'll put it on the bottom 3rd, because we're starting to get beautiful colours in the sky. So I want to make it really simple, but with a hint of colour. Oh my God, that looks fantastic. It really is playing ball at last. At last, it looks superb. It's only 2:30. Got another hour and a half yet before sunset. I just hope that this light can penetrate the clouds, could be in for a belter. You know what? I think I've done from here. I hope you enjoy this bit of fine art. I love this type of photography. I really do enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed it too. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.